Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. So this is an astrology reading for the transit Mars entering the sign of Aries. This is happening in your fourth house of home life, family life. So some of you pwedeng magkakaroon ng change sa setup ng family. Yung iba, kayo ay lilipat ng bahay or pwedeng merong bagong member ng family or bagong titira sa bahay ninyo or something about a new beginning in the house. Mas magiging busy rin yung mga family members ninyo. You may be doing some other things outside, let's say, trabaho or projects pwede rin itong related sa mga pagkakakitaan, okay? So, some of you pwedeng merong mga uh, gastos pagdating sa bahay, extra gastos, hindi yung usual na gastos ng mga groceries or bills. This is about pwedeng may bago kang bibilhing furniture or merong gagawing renovation sa bahay or yun nga, paglipat ng bahay and medyo ano lang yun, no? Nakakapagod. Kasi ang Mars energy, it is also about action and parang pagkakaroon ng mabilisang paggawa, alam mo yon. So, maaring may energy rito na mas mapapagod ka dahil sa mabilis na mga pangyayari or mga kailangang i-accomplish sa mas maiksing panahon. Oo. So, with the second house here in Pluto, so pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may pagbabago sa source of income ninyo, pwede magkakaroon kayo ng additional source of income related sa real estate, yung tipong Airbnb or renta ng bahay or anything that you can share to others na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Okay? Let's see what else. Pwede rin tong home-based job, no, for some of you. Or work from home na opportunities. Ayan. So, with the Wheel of Fortune, this is definitely change. Fated change to. Ibig sabihin, some of you, wala kayong masyadong control dito because it is about to happen or meant to happen. You have the Page of Swords. Learning, okay. So, maaring meron kang explore na bago mong interest. And this is going to bring you stability and happiness, no, with the Nine of Cups. Something that is exciting for you to explore. Ayan, with the Page of Wands. Some of you, travel opportunities. Ito yung home, parang may iba sa inyo uuwi kayo sa hometown ninyo or home country. You also have the Eight of Pentacles. This is about sa work, pwedeng may mga i-accomplish ka, major opportunities or major responsibilities sa trabaho. And this is also about mastery. So, meron ka ima-master na abilities or skill set na makakatulong rin sa iyong foundation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.